the land of Africa. The lion is always a threat to all species, as just seeing their appearance, most animals have to automatically retreat and win them a certain respect. But the wild world always has surprises, as dominating all the species, but lions are often seen by other predators and can cause anger for them. So what happens when the most powerful people in Africa get angry? What fierce battles will happen? Let us explore right now. What happens when the lion gets angry? Possessing an extremely large territory, lions have a range spanning most of the central rainforest and the Sahara Desert, as they also have territories in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, and Mozambique. However, this territory of lions are often overlooked and violated by predators such as leopards, cheetahs, hyenas, and wild dogs. There have been many fierce battles that broke out between lions and these animals to protect their territory, and most lions always won overwhelming victories. Although only about 22 kilograms in weight, wild dogs often invade their territory and often encounter lions directly. And with a small appearance, but possessing the best speed and agility on the African grasslands, it is very difficult for lions to defeat them. Especially the African wild dogs that have a herd lifestyle with a high social organization and are full of discipline, as this is one of the highlights that helps them to survive in the harsh environments with many larger and more dangerous predators. It is known that lions are usually not very interested in smaller animals, but they often pay attention to medium to larger size prey such as antelope, zebras, or buffaloes. However, if one day a lion decides that if they want to change their taste or they feel uncomfortable when they are disturbed a lot, a bad ending awaits. But for all the animals that they encounter. For lions, territory and cubs are a measure of their dominance and strength, as letting others encroach on their territory means that the lion has lost some of its majesty and power. And one animal that always makes lions wary is the hyena. Hyenas are known for their greed, recklessness, and wisdom, as they often eat the lion's leftovers, and they follow the lion to steal their prey and rarely have a direct dispute with the lion. Although hyenas often lose the one-on-one fights, they are by no means easy to defeat, as they have powerful jaws that can tear a lion apart. And the hyenas often take advantage of their superiority in numbers, and they are hunting in groups to take down the adult lions that hunt alone, or the elderly or injured, in particular, those lions. This hyena is the main cause of the loss of the lion cubs, as the number of lion cubs dying at the hands of hyenas are very large, because hyenas often take advantage of the loopholes when lions hunt at night to attack the abandoned cubs. Now this loss has caused the lion a certain discomfort. As for lions, losing cubs are like losing the inheritance and losing the pride of the whole lion family. And the hyena's reckless actions cost it dearly, as when these sadists get angry, the hyenas certainly have no chance of survival. as a lion's bite is powerful enough to knock down an hyena in a minute, as this is the end of the most cold-blooded and predatory animal in Africa. In addition to hyenas, lions must also be wary of leopards, because the lion's territory is quite large and sometimes they can't control everything. So these leopards take advantage of the opportunities to invade and hunt in the lion's territory. Leopards are known to be agile, flexible, and extremely intelligent animals, as they frequently enter the lion's territory, and sometimes they even steal the lion's prey. However, this time it was discovered by the lion. A big fat antelope was killed by the leopards in the lion's territory, and the lion discovered it. So before the lion's anger rose, the leopard had to leave its prey behind in lust and run away. Looking at the whole herd of lions eating their prey deliciously, and perhaps this leopard is feeling extremely angry and hungry. And even so, the lion will not care and certainly will not share this meal with the leopard, even though the leopard himself has taken it down. Usually when discovered, leopards often climb trees to hide, as this animal is a good climber and has been observed too often to rest on the tree branches during the day, as they drag on the prey that they catch and hide it in the tree tops. However, sometimes they do not have the time to escape and have to pay with their reckless actions when they're daring to enter the territory of these sly lions, as this will certainly be a lesson of its life when it dares to anger these bloodthirsty animals. There is no denying that the lion is one of the apex predators in the land of Africa, and it has always proven itself to be the ruler and the symbol of strength. As therefore, predators who do not know how to measure their own strength will certainly have to receive the catastrophic failures when making the lions angry. Thank you all so much for watching all of our videos. How did you guys see today's video? Please leave a comment down below to let us know. And if you love to explore the animal world, then don't forget to press the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Also, please like and share this video. And for now, goodbye, and see you